This right here is called a boom lift. I wasn't able to secure it. I wasn't able to do a securement video on the inside of the place, so I figured I'll just, do my best to explain this type of securement and this boom lift right here. So as you can see in the back, there's 2 chains. You would think it was an X chain, but it's not. So I ran a chain through, this is actually the front of the machine right here. So I ran a chain through that side, and I ran a chain on this side. And you can't tighten them too tight because those braces in the middle, they'll buckle. I'll show y'all the braces in a minute. Now, anything that extends more than 10 feet in the front and the back, you want to place 2 straps on the first 10 feet. So this is how you count it. This is 2, 4, 6 feet, 8 feet. Each pocket will be considered 2 feet. So that's my 2 straps right there. Now right here, this looks like an X chain. I just ran it through the middle of the machine down to the other side and put my binder right here. Like I said, once again, you don't want to tighten them too tight. Now this right here is kind of unique. I had to run 2 straps. I don't even know what this is called, but I had to run 2 straps up it and over and basically through the middle, because if I was to put chains on this on these items right here from the trailer bouncing back and forth in transit, they would tend to shift that way or that way. I have what's called a belly wrap strap right here on this piece of the boom. I have a strap right here, and once again, I have 2 straps right here. This isn't 10 feet, but this is kind of flimsy. That it's cardboard. This is probably like the only thing I'm really worried about. I never hauled this before, so I'm gonna see how it acts while it's in transit. Every load that you haul, it has a different, I guess it would be aerodynamic. It feels different, like riding a bike for the first time. You hauling something different, you have to get used to it. That's why I say like the first 50 miles, you stop, do a load check, tire check. Right here again, 2 chains. This is the back of the machine, the back of the boom. Now, as you can see, this extends 10 feet. I got my straps. I got 2 straps right here. I have a 2-inch strap and a 4-inch strap. Right here I have my ladder and my tarps. I didn't, I was told not to put anything on top of the boom, so I just put it on the side. Hopefully that ladder